Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.
Good morning, everybody. How are you guys doing? So today is Tuesday, and as you can see, my face is beat, girl. It's actually like 9 in the morning. It's actually like 9 in the morning. I have a hair appointment today at 11. I'm going to the Don Hair and I'm going to install a bob baby. I'm actually shooting something really fun. I have a brand shoot that I have to do, but I'm also shooting for 100k. So the wig that I'm installing right now, I wanted it to be very easy, something that can go with a lot of looks because I'm shooting multiple things today. But I also really wanted like a bob. Like, I feel like a bob. I haven't done a bob in a very long time. When last did I do a bob? When last did I do a bob? So the bob that I have is from LYNN Hair. So they sent me a frontal. They sent me a 13 by 4, and it's also like 12 inches, but I do think I'm going to like cut it like 1.5 inches, maybe a little bit, just so that it's like a, you know, flowy bob. But obviously I didn't want to order a 10-inch because I wanted the bottom of the wig, after I cut it, I wanted the ends to be thicker. So if you want that type of look, like if you don't know how long to get hair, if you want the bottom to not be, you know how naturally even like anybody's real hair, it will be thick and everything, and then towards the end it kind of like comes to an actual end. So if you want something that's going to be heavier at the bottom, just get a little bit longer of a length and then just cut it up to where you want it, and then it's going to be nice and full everywhere. So that's my little tip, and that's what I'm going to do today. So I've ordered a 12-inch bob from LYNN Hair, and I'm so happy with what I saw in the box. I unboxed it. They gave me a couple of goodies, you know, they always spoil me. And yeah, I just unboxed all of those goodies, and then I also went ahead and just checked out the actual hair before I dropped it off so that it got customized. And I love it. I'm excited, basically. Like, I really want a nice thick beautiful bob for this photo shoot, and I do think that I'm going to get just that. So I woke up really early this morning because I had my makeup to do, I had to prep, I had to pack, I had to do all these things. I'm very happy with how my makeup turned out, and I'm just very excited to go and actually get my hair laid. That's what we're doing. If you are interested, if you like the hair that I'm going to be installing, I'll link it for you down below. If I have a discount code, it will also be down below. I literally never know like if I do or if I don't, so always check my description box for a discount code and you can save some money on new hair. But yeah, definitely check out LYNN because they have good prices. They actually really do have good prices. So even if you're not looking for a bob, anything that you are looking for, I will leave that link also in the description box, and then you can click it and go check out their stock, what they have. But anyway, let's go. Alright, so to get started, my hairstylist is going to put this wig cap on my head. We are going with the bald cap method, and we are also going glueless. So we're not using any bold hold, we're not using any of that stuff. We are going to go in with just got to be, and to glue down my actual wig cap. She used the freeze spray, and then she's going to go in with the blow dryer just to make sure that it is nice and dry. And we kind of had to work a little bit harder because I already have makeup on, and if you know, you know, it is a bit harder to blend a wig after you put makeup on. But because of my schedule, I really had to come to her with my makeup already done. But it doesn't matter, it literally looked good the whole weekend. If you watched my previous vlog, you saw this hair in action. And I got my hair installed on a Tuesday, and I only took it off the following Tuesday. So this is the longest that I have ever kept a wig on this year. If you know me, you know that I only really keep wigs on for 3 to 4 days, if I'm being very, very realistic. And this one I actually kept for the full 7, and I'm really happy about it. All we're doing over here is cutting off earpieces for myself. So no matter what, no matter the cap size, I always have to cut the lace because that 13x4 is a bit too long for me. And then we are defining a middle part, which I absolutely loved the wig. Like at this point, I was like, oh my god, it's looking so nice. And then we went in with baby hairs for the first time in... when last did I do baby hairs? I literally never do them, but you know, because this hairstyle was so simple, I thought that it was a nice addition. And in all my pictures, because I keep telling you guys about a photo shoot in this video, but in all my pictures, I loved when the baby hair was kind of sneaking and you could see it. It's so cute. Normally I do like a clean install. I don't like baby hair, but this time it really worked. And then now she's just cutting my hair. Well, first she's starting to part it so that she can work in layers. But remember, I told you guys that I wanted to cut it sharp so that it could be full at the bottom. That's what we're working on here. She's doing it in layers. So she's going to part a little bit at the bottom, and she's going to take this razor cut thingy. What is this thing called? I don't know what this buzz cut thing is. But yeah, she's going to take that and she's going to use it because she wants a very clean cut. It's so much better than using scissors. It gives you a much more defined cut, and I loved that. It just looked very blunt cutty, and I loved that. So yeah, that's what we're basically going to do. And then when we take the little strap off, now we're gonna actually work on the baby hair. And as you can see, girl, it's looking good. All right, so all we had left to do was just straighten the hair. And yeah, that's what we did in sections. But basically, I just want to talk to you guys about the actual hair. The fact that it is a bob made it so easy to maintain. I literally left the province, came back, went out with my friends. I did so many activities, and straightening my hair in the middle of everything was so easy. So I definitely recommend everybody to have that one frontal bob. And I swear to you, you are always going to use it. You're always going to wear it. And I really do recommend this one because I kept it in for the longest. It did not irritate my scalp. You guys know how picky I am about lace that irritates my scalp. It didn't. It looked beautiful. It looked flawless. It matched so well when it came to the tinting of the lace. And yeah, I just love the movements of the hair. It didn't get frizzy. It didn't get stiff. It didn't shed. I just loved it. I really loved it, and I really do recommend. So if you do want to shop Miss LYNN hair, definitely go into the description box. I will have all the links that you need. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye guys.